So if you were to look back when you first started this business up and where you are today, are you kind of where you thought you would be? Are you ahead? Are you behind? Or has the whole thing really changed fairly significantly from what that original vision was? I know that's a whole bunch of questions tied together.
Yeah, so I can tell you this much. I never set my goal high enough. And so I reached my goals back in 20. So my 10-year goal I reached in like 4 years. And then COVID hit, and that was another cascading elements. Because when I was in sales, COVID made it a little bit challenging for us as salespeople, especially outside salespeople, to penetrate accounts and grow new business. So that affected the model. But now we're back post COVID, and the 3-year plan going forward is shifting a little bit. But I'm pivoting into another profit center. We'll say that is a story for another day. But the plan again for that is, again, 3 years, 5 years, and it's got the 10-year nugget to it as well. But these things evolve over time, obviously, and you can't prepare for pandemics and that kind of a thing. But being very goal-oriented, if you write the goals down, you will achieve them. There's great power in writing them down, so long as you believe them. You have to believe in your goals. You believe in them, you write them down, they will happen. Sometimes they happen quicker. In my case, so I did reach my milestones, and I realized that I did not set my goals lofty enough. And that's another thing that I think these entrepreneurs have to realize is that what if they reach their goal, right? And what if they reach it soon? So set lofty goals and then set loftier ones on top of it.